Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about a few projects to start with for beginners to kick off their Python learning journey real quick. I'm going to give you an idea of how you can implement them or what you will be needing to implement these mini projects. And also, we're going to provide you with all the project links in the description below. So if you don't know how to start or how to implement things, or if you're stuck somewhere while implementing anything, you can get the solution or help from there. So let's start first as calculator. You can create a simple calculator for all the basic operations with or without GUI. If you don't want to have GUI, then you can simply go with Python itself. You can add the given values, you can subtract, multiply, or divide the values, and you can take the user input, and on the basis of that input, you can perform the operations. Here we have taken 4 basic operations, but you can have more. But if you want GUI, then it can be done with tkinter. tkinter is a standard GUI library for Python. It provides a fast and easy way to create GUI applications. You can also use PyQt library. PyQt is also a GUI widget toolkit. It's a Python interface for Qt. It also is one of the most powerful and popular cross-platform GUI library. The project link is in the description. Next, web automation. If you want to fill a form multiple times, for example, you take data from any PDF or Excel or CSV file, and then you can create the script to fill that data onto the form automatically. Or you can do Instagram login and scrolling over images. For that, you will be needing Selenium library. Next is alarm clock. You can set a countdown or the exact time to notify the person or the user. The simplest implementation for setting up a countdown is you can just put sleep for the duration and then set up a wake up message and print it. And if you want to implement a detailed project with GUI and alarm music, then we have attached the link in the description. As I said earlier, you can get the help from there. Next, image or video downloader. If you want to implement a video downloader script, for example, to download YouTube videos, you can use the PyTube library. Again, the script link is there in the description. This can help you download a single video as well as the complete playlist. Bulk files renaming tool. You can simply do it using OS module. Check out this code. You can rename any folder or multiple subfolder files. And this is the output. Password generator. To generate a strong or medium level password with Python. Believe me, you just need to know basic Python to do most of the projects mentioned here in this video. For password generator, you will be needing Python's string module and random module. The string module contains separate constants for lowercase, uppercase letters, digits, and special characters. Random module to perform random generations. Next is guessing game. You can generate a random integer between your range and then you can ask the user for his input. And then you can match his input with the generated number. And you can keep taking his input until he guesses the right value. And after a certain number of attempts, you can print something to signal that. Last one is File Explorer. You can create it with a very simple GUI using tkinter for exploring your folders, drives, files, and this is the output. So these were all the projects. Hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to get the links from the description below and to start doing projects of your interest. You can also watch out our Python tricks and tips videos to start writing better Python code.